Good Saturday evening, South Carolina weather watchers. I'm your host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Saturday evening going into your Sunday morning. Hopefully, y'all had a great first start to your weekend, and hopefully, tomorrow will be better. Here, as we look at the current radar conditions right now, you can see that we do have no precipitation dropping inside of South Carolina right now. So that is a great thing. That system that was forecast to maybe bring a couple more showers, mainly to the coast, mainly this region right here that I'm circling, uh, kind of just did not form, or it kind of formed like down here, like into the ocean. Like as you can see, do have a couple of thunderstorms out to the coast of us right now, but I guess they developed just way too late. It only developed into the ocean, so that's a great thing that we did not get impacted. It was actually really nice. Here are our current conditions right now as we look at the current warnings and advisories. As you can see, we do have seems to be a lot of things going on. As you can see, we do have some winter storm watches, winter storm warnings, all that kind of stuff over pretty much from all of the northern U.S., going all the way up into the northeast. If we're going ahead and switch over to the winter weather radar, you can see it even better. See all the snow up here. I mean, this is heavy, heavy snow up there inside the northeast Maine and New Hampshire, as well as some snow as well for Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota, as well as Wisconsin. We also do have some rain for seems to be Iowa and Missouri, as well as some snow just to the north. We also do have some rain, even down in Florida, some rain and some snow and an ice mix in the Rocky Mountains. And for the west, we're seeing some nice rain over there as they get hit by kind of like another atmospheric river. Not really going to be as intense, but definitely something that they're going to have to watch for over there as well. So if we go ahead and turn off the warnings and advisories, you can kind of see it better, kind of see the entire radar better. This is the current condition inside the United States right now. So going ahead and looking at cloud cover for right now for South Carolina, our cloud tracker. As you can see, we do have some low clouds, maybe even some fog in some areas. So if you are driving tonight and you do see some fog, obviously, turn your fog lights on, do all that kind of stuff. But definitely low clouds fog can be possible tonight going into tomorrow morning. So definitely watch out for that. Here is our current temperature: 52 in Greenville, 62 in Columbia, 64 in Charleston, 61 in Myrtle Beach, 57 in Rock Hill, 62 in Savannah, 62 in Augusta, 55 in Anderson, 62 in Florence and Sumter, and 62 in Georgetown as well. So those are our current temperatures. Looking at the minimum temperatures for tonight: 40 Columbia and Sumter, 36 up there in the upstate for Greenville, Spartanburg, and Anderson, 42 for Augusta, 47 for Savannah and Charleston, and then 43 for Myrtle Beach, 39 up there for Florence. Here's our max wind gusts for the next 24 hours, as we can go ahead and refresh that because that's kind of late. Go to 10 p.m. Yes, all right. So as you can see, still some max wind gusts around 30 miles an hour cannot be ruled out near Myrtle Beach and Florence. 27 near Sumter. 22 near Columbia. 21 near Augusta. 29 or 29 near Charleston. 24 near Savannah. 21 up there inside of the upstate as well. No precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours, but they think that a little trace could potentially fall. I'm looking at it now. I don't know if it is or not, because looking at the radar right now, obviously, remember those storms did not develop like we thought that they were, and this was last updated at 8 o'clock. It updates every 12 hours. So honestly, it could be wrong, and it could actually think that those showers were actually going to pop up. But as of right now, I just say no precipitation is expected, because if we go ahead and turn over to the models for right now, we're going to switch over to scene 2, switch over to the HRRR, and here we go at the 1Z. If we went ahead and push it forward, you can obviously see that there's no showers, there's no nothing. We're all good. I mean, if we even go to the 0Z, let's go ahead and take it out a full 48 hours. As you can see, we push it forward some more. We're looking pretty clear all the way through tomorrow, and then Tuesday we get through, and then we push through here, and I'm not seeing anything too bad. So honestly, I think that we're good when it comes to showers for about the next 2 days. So Sunday and Monday. I said Tuesday, I meant to say Monday. So Sunday and Monday both look to be pretty nice days. No rain is expected. Cloud cover. Definitely some isolated to scattered cloud cover throughout most of the week, especially the early week as well. But for sure, gonna be nice for Sunday and Monday. Now, looking at our Storm Prediction Center outlook, obviously, I still do think that they have that day 1 risk, but obviously, that's not gonna develop. That's not gonna do anything. Here's day 3. I'll switch back to the day 1. Yeah, there's nothing there for day 1. If we go through to the day 1 through 8, we don't see anything there either. So, the Storm Prediction Center does not highlight any thunderstorms for us. For excessive rainfall, I'm not looking at anything too bad either. But I did talk about this morning for day 4 and day 5, and it still seems to be up. The upstate, mainly the Anderson and Greenville regions, are under a day 1 marginal risk of excessive rainfall for day 4, which is Tuesday. So for Tuesday, there's a 5% chance of flash flooding. But if you go to day 5, we do have another marginal risk of excessive rainfall. So there is like a little gradient in between, kind of like the Sumter National Forest up all the way to like Greenville. You can see that there's just like a little area to there that is not really in the marginal risk of excessive rainfall. But mainly what we're watching for right now is some isolated flash flooding, if possible, Tuesday going into Wednesday. And then here is the future. So, we're going to go ahead and switch over, because we usually don't talk about the future on that website anymore. We talk about it on here now. So let's go ahead and switch over to the GFS, and we're going to switch over to the precipitation type as well. And here we are. So, going on and moving on to the future, as I don't think y'all can see that. Alright, I'm going to go switch that out. There we go. Alright, so here we go. As you can see, already we have things going on, like obviously the heavy rain up there inside the northeast, some snow inside Iowa, North Dakota, even some rain and some snow inside the west as well. As we push this forward, you will obviously see that that system that we just saw out there inside of the west is going to traverse eastward, cause some more snow up there inside of Minnesota, Iowa, South Dakota, Wisconsin, bring even some rain, maybe even some severe storms to Texas and Oklahoma. And then while it's bringing those storms there, it's going to cause some more severe weather for Louisiana, Arkansas, Texas, Mississippi. And then that's going to move eastward, and you can see like this line of storms that's going to move through, and it's going to move eastward. Not really going to cause us, definitely maybe some thunderstorms is possible. According to the GFS, here it is at around 2 p.m. on March the 27th. So I think this is Wednesday going into Thursday. You see that that line that's moving through, potentially bringing some gusty winds and some heavy rain. So definitely gonna have to watch out for that. And it looks like a lot of rain could fall with this. So it's gonna be pretty quick hitting. It might last, maybe like a couple hours. Not like constant rain for like a couple of hours, but like some off and on rain throughout the day. And as we move forward again, you can see that we have, again, just another kind of like atmospheric river event happening in Southern California. Some snow up here inside of the Wyoming, South Dakota regions, as well as some snow and some rain over there to the east. We move this forward some more, and it looks like that we are getting some more rain around April 1st. And then another quick hitting storm that could potentially hit us on April the 2nd, even quicker than the first one. And then we have another system that's going to come through on April the 7th, bring us some more showers, and that's as far as it goes out. So, pretty much here is a kind of a view of how it's looking right now. But that's going to about wrap this up. I don't think I have anything else to talk about. Thank y'all so much for watching. And I will see y'all tomorrow evening with your spring break forecast for the week of the 24th all the way through the 30th. So, as you know, if you weren't here for, I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday's video, that I would be doing a spring break forecast update because my spring break is next week, because today's Saturday, so next week. So I will be doing a spring break forecast for y'all as well on tomorrow evening. So definitely watch out for that. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all tomorrow evening.